Who does not like wearing bangles, jhumkas, or simply getting ready, especially when you're wearing something Indian? But getting a good picture when you're wearing a traditional dress is indeed a task, because we usually get confused as to how to pose in Indian outfits. So I'm gonna help you out with that today. And that's what today's video is going to be about, wherein I'll be showing you guys how to pose in Indian outfits. Basically, I'll be sharing all the tips that I have been following for quite some years now, and I hope these tips will be helpful for you guys as well. So without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Sari is the most elegant Indian wear out there. You can carry it anywhere, anytime. It is evergreen and never goes out of fashion, and it always looks gorgeous no matter what. Now, talking about some posing tips in sari, there are gazillion of ways to pose in a sari. The very first is to flip your sari or just throwing it up so that you can get those pictures where only your face is visible. To click full-length pictures when you're wearing a sari, you just have to stand straight and put your mobile phone or camera, anything which you're using, at a low angle so that you can get those tall-looking straight pictures without putting a lot of efforts. And I can totally say that I'm in love with these pictures. They look so beautiful and elegant. Next tip is very simple, and literally anyone can do this without much effort. You just have to pretend as if you're arranging the plates, or simply look straight into the camera. Keep it very elegant and simple, and this way you will surely get some beautiful pictures. You can use your plates to give poses, or if you're wearing any jewelry at the moment, you can use that jewelry as well to give some really cool shots. You also have the option of covering your head using the sari. Just keep smiling, keep it very plain and light. And the pictures have turned out really beautiful. So here I'm wearing a simple Banarsi gown which has a lot of plaits that makes it look very flowy. I am just sitting on the stairs, and you don't need a very beautiful location to get some cool shots. The only thing that matters is your way of posing. So yeah, just keep smiling in case you don't know what to do or how to pose, because that's the most easiest way to get some beautiful pictures. Try using different angles, keep moving your body, and this way you will surely get the kind of pictures which you are looking for. You can even hold your dress, but the thing is, do it elegantly, because that's the key. And the pictures have turned out very beautiful. You can give sitting poses. You can also go for the standing poses if you're comfortable that way. So these are some standing poses which you can try. Pretty easy and effortless, right? How about using your jewelry as a prop for your pictures? Well, isn't it a great idea? So what you can do is you can pick any of your jewelry, whatever you're wearing at the moment. It could be your bangles, your earrings, or any kind of neck piece which you're wearing, and simply start posing with it. And I can assure you the pictures will turn out incredibly beautiful. As you guys can see it here, I've got some really beautiful shots with the bangle that I was wearing. And yeah. How can I forget dupatta? After all, we can do so many things with this, right? And when it comes to taking pictures in Indian outfits, this is the most beautiful prop ever to consider. Like, you can do so many things with this. You can hold it with different angles, you can move it in different directions like the way you want. And yeah, it's very easy to pose with a plain dupatta. But if your dupatta is pretty heavy, then you can make someone to hold it for you to get some shots like this. And I can say that I'm literally in love with these pictures. One more way to use your dupatta is to cover your head with this. This way the background automatically becomes your dupatta, nothing will be visible. Also, I took some pictures keeping focus on the earrings, so these are some shots. So that was it for today's video. I really hope it was helpful and you guys enjoyed watching it, and you already know the drill, right? Like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget to tell me in the comment sections down below how did you guys like my pictures. With that being said, I shall see you in my next one. Till then, bye.